My name is Anjali. Welcome to the free online course in English Grammar by Live and Learn. I hope you enjoy this lesson and I hope you find it useful. If you do, please like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this lesson with anybody that you know who might also be interested in improving their English by learning English grammar. Thank you. Let's move on to the lesson. Live and Learn free online course in English grammar. Lesson 31. Prepositions, Part 2. A preposition is a word used to show the connection of a noun or pronoun to another word in a sentence. It describes the relationship between the words. The correct use of some prepositions. There are some situations in which specific prepositions are used. 1. Methods of transport. The preposition by is used when we want to talk about a mode of transport in general. It is not used when we want to talk about a specific type of transport. Examples. Modes of transport in general. We went by car. We went to Shimla by train. We went to Japan by air. We went by bus. We went to China by boat. Specific modes of transport. The rule is that if it is a means of transport that people can sit inside, you use in. For anything else, you use on. We went in Jim's car. We went to Shimla in a train. He goes to work on his motorbike. Note, if we want to say that we walked somewhere, we say we went on foot, not by foot. Examples. Haresh cycles to school, but Naresh goes on foot. Two. Places. At is used to refer to places, countries, cities, towns and villages, as geographical areas or points, i.e. on a map. In is used to refer to places as physical locations. Examples. The train stopped at Balham on the way to London. I live in London. The bus stopped at a village. I live in a village. 3. Activities, shops, workplaces and homes. At is used to refer to group activities or specific shops, places of work or homes. In is used to refer to being inside a shop, house or office. Examples. All her friends were at the party. I was at home all day. I was in the house all day. Bob was at work. Bob was in the office. The CEO was not at the meeting. 4. Streets and houses. In is used with the names of streets and roads, and at is used with specific addresses. Examples. He lives in Nightingale Alley. He lives at number 1, Nightingale Alley. Note, when a letter or parcel is addressed to someone who lives in someone else's residence and who may or may not actually be there, the correspondence is addressed care of. Example. 2. Mr. Richard Jones, care of Mr. David Jones, 1 Nightingale Alley. 5. Surfaces. On is used to describe a place as a surface. Examples: the mirror is on the bathroom wall. The vase is on the table. The carpet is on the floor. The cat is on the roof. 6. The use of till or until, for and to. Till or until are used to express relationships of points in time. They are not used with expressions of lengths of time, duration. For is used to express lengths of time. To is used to express relationships of place. Examples: she worked until 6 o'clock. They walked till it got dark, a point in time. They wanted to be together till eternity. Incorrect. Eternity is an infinite length of time. They wanted to be together for eternity. Correct. They walked till the next town. Incorrect. They walked to the next town. Correct. 7. The use of with or by. With is sometimes used to express the means by which or the way in which something is done, and by is used to describe who or what does it. Examples: she silenced them all with a steely look. Miss Green was helped to cross the road by a stranger with a kind heart. Miss Green was helped to cross the road by a kind-hearted stranger. 8. The use of since. Since is used to express a relationship with a point in time. Examples: she has been away since last Thursday. The birds have been singing since dawn. Jack has been limping since he broke his leg while skiing last year. 9. The use of in or within to express relationships of time. In means at the end of a period of time. Within means before the end of a period of time. Examples: she told her friend she would call back in an hour. The doctor arrived within 10 minutes. 10. Beside or besides. Beside means by the side of, and besides means as well as, or in addition, or in addition to. Examples: he called an ambulance for the woman who had been hit by the car and stayed beside her until it arrived. I sat under the willow tree beside the river. He provides for his family, and besides that, he pays for the education of his unemployed brother's children. The carrot soup did not smell fresh, and besides, she had never liked it. Besides being given a verbal warning for his rudeness to the teacher, he was sent home for the rest of the day. Adverbs used as prepositions. As you will have realized by now, Many words that are used as prepositions are also used as adverbs, depending on what job they need to do in a sentence. These are words such as about, across, around, before, beyond, in, inside, near, opposite, outside, past, round, through, under, up, and within. Examples: the dog is barking outside. Here, outside is acting as an adverb because it adds to the meaning of the verb is barking. There is a dog outside the house. Here, outside is acting as a preposition because it describes the relationship of place between the dog and the house. He unlocked the door of the basement and went inside. Here, inside is acting as an adverb because it adds to the meaning of the verb went. He found that his fears had merely been inside his mind. Here, inside is acting as a preposition because it is describing the idea that his fears had been imaginary, the abstract relationship of place between his fears and his mind. If in doubt as to whether a word is acting as an adverb or a preposition, refer to their definitions as parts of speech. Remember, prepositions show the connection of a noun or pronoun to another word in a sentence. They describe the relationship between the words. And now, you know what types of relationships they describe. Verbs formed from prepositions. 1. Prepositions are often prefixed to verbs to form new verbs, such as outbid, overcome, overflow, overlook, undergo, undertake, uphold, withdraw, withhold, and withstand. 2. They are also used with verbs as a separate word to form phrasal verbs, such as to beat up, to blow up, to boast of, to be left out, to get on, to get up, to give up, to laugh at, to look for, to look up, to put on, to take off, to take out, to send for, to send out for. There are many of these phrasal verbs, and they are commonly used in written and spoken English. Well done! You have completed this lesson. If you enjoyed the lesson and you found it useful, please do like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you know anyone who is also interested in improving their command of English by learning English grammar, please share this video lesson with them. If you would like to buy the Live and Learn English Grammar textbook, you can buy it as an ebook or as a paperback from the Amazon website that serves your country of residence. There are some links in the description box below the video. The book does go deeper into aspects of grammar, and it also contains exercises with answers so you can monitor your own progress. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.